course, we've got personal injury attorney Ken Riley. He's here to take a look at an email question. And so tonight's question, Ken, comes from Greg. And Greg writes into us here at LawCall and says that my son was injured in a wreck while traveling to a high school basketball tournament. He missed the bus and had to ride with another student, but he was required to be at the tournament by his coach. How will this injury claim work? So that's Greg's question. All
right, a lot to unpackage there, but here's what will happen generally speaking. First of all, the person who caused the wreck, the person who hit your son, is going to be the first layer of insurance that would cover this wreck. The second layer is going to be the vehicle that he was in, so that would be his teammate's vehicle. The third would be any insurance, uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage that you had or your family had on their vehicles. And when I say their vehicles, in Alabama you can stack up to 3 coverages on top of each other. So it looks to me like you've got probably 3 avenues of recovery. I don't think there's going to be an avenue of recovery because it was a requirement for him to be at this particular tournament. I don't think the school's going to be responsible. This is something that the school couldn't predict, and a lot of people do travel on their own instead of in buses and the like. So that's the order of events, but there's some things that you have to do in order to not spoil the insurance behind the liability insurance. So if you're out there, and not just this particular case, but if you're out there and you're dealing with an insurance company and they are wanting to settle with you, you got to know that there's insurance behind it, and there are certain things that you have to do in order to preserve the right to claim the insurance that you pay good money for. And that's, I think, where lawyers come in. And it gets tricky.
Yeah. Okay, for more information, go to Ken's website. It's deliveringjustice.com, or go to WBRC.com and click on the LawCall link.